Again, we don't want to expand this and do all of the work. But we should recognize that when we start to expand this in FOIL, we're going to have y times y, and that's going to be y squared. And then eventually that's got to be multiplied by the constant of 7. So we have to have a y squared term here. So B doesn't have a y squared term, C doesn't have a y squared term, D doesn't have a y squared term. And without doing nearly like a third of the work to actually solve for this, we should be able to arrive to the correct answer of A for this problem pretty readily. Next, we've got the sum of three positive integers is 180. We're looking for the value of the smallest of the integers, and we've got this ratio of the integers being 5, 3, and 2. So you have to be careful with this one. There's a little bit of a trap here. So it's the ratio of the integers is this. So we know that the smallest of the integers is going to be 2/5 of the largest of the integers. So if we did, say, choice A, 18, and we multiplied it by 5 and divided by 2, well, sure enough, 18 is 2/5 of 45. That's the biggest of the values. And if I added 45 to 18 to something in between the two, that's going to be way too small. But if we consider 36, well, if we do 36, now that's going to be 2/5 again. So we're going to take our 36, multiply by 5, and divide by 2, and that's going to be 90 there. And if we did our, so we know that 90 will be the biggest if 36 is the least. If we took our 36 and we multiplied by 3 and divided it by 2, we get 54. 54 plus 36 plus that 90 we just saw is going to sum to a total set of integers of 180, and there is our correct answer of B in this problem.